Are you a chef?
No, I'm not the chef.
What are you?
Mommy, how do you do?
I'm good. How do you do, Austin?
I'm Austin. Daddy, can you crack it?
Huh?
Daddy, can you crack the egg?
What egg?
Crack?
Why?
Crack?
Do you wanna cook the egg?
Okay. Here we go, Daddy. Here we go.
Ask mommy.
Daddy, Mommy, can you crack the egg?
Okay, give me 1 second.
Crack. Wow.
Give me one more. Give me one more egg. Thank you.
Oh, that's Mommy. Almost done, Mommy. Almost done. Almost done, Mommy. Almost done. No more eggs, Daddy. No more eggs.
Where's the egg?
Cooking.
Huh?
Cooking the egg in flat and away. Dummy, dummy breakfast.
Dummy breakfast?
Dummy breakfast? Look. Look at the water.
It's boiling.
Boiling.
Boiling.